$57,000. That's how much I've made in the month of November so far, only trading 1 hour a day. And if you stick around till the end of this video, I'm gonna break down step by step what it is that I do on a day-to-day basis so I can trade 1 hour a day, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the exact same thing. Now, before I dive into it, last video, you guys came short of 100 likes. So let's get this video to 100 likes so I can give you guys a 1 hour detailed breakdown of how I find my stock, how I trade them in the 1 hour, what I look for to enter and exit, and give you the exact game plan that's helped me make $57,000. But like this video and let's get it to 100 likes so I can give you that 1 hour detailed video. All right, so let's dive in so I can show you guys a great trade that I took that pretty much made me over $4,000 in a single day in probably under 1 hour, and that was IBM. All right, you guys, if you don't know how I come up with this list that I post every single night, you guys don't know how to come up with a similar list, there is a video on my YouTube, you can probably watch it somewhere on the screen here, that teaches you exactly how I search and how I come up with these stocks that I'm looking to trade the next day. So with that said, take a look here. On November 20th at around 7:30 p.m. I wrote IBM double bottom on the daily, has room to 216.70, which is the neckline. Right? That's very clear. Left bottom, right bottom, neckline 216.76. Above that, we open for a pocket slash gap back to the 230s, right? So you have your pocket right here and you have your gap towards 230, right? So everything is being explained and in detail the night before. All right, so let's dive in and see what happens the day we actually trade this. So this right here is the 21st. On the 20th, we wrote that we want to get above this neckline, and if we do, we want to take it long. Okay. So when the morning came, we saw the rejection of this level. We waited for confirmation or a candle close to get back above this level in order to enter the trade. And as we approached that high here and we got that candle close, this is exactly where I went long, knowing I had a game plan the night before, knowing we have a double bottom on the daily, knowing the neckline just broke on the daily, and take a look at what happens here, guys. This is what happens when you combine. Get a retest, right? You missed your first entry. You have a hammer right here. That's your hammer, retest off the moving average. Old resistance becomes new support. That is your entry. And take a look at what happens later as the day goes on here, guys. This stock absolutely rips and just pays significantly well. Right now, this is where the power of options comes in. November 21st was a Thursday. When you have such a big move, for example, right here, from the breakout to the high a day is a 2.2% move on a Thursday. This is going to pay you anywhere from 40 to 120% in a single day. And that is exactly what we did. I took about 40% on this trade simply because we were prepared the day before. We knew what to look for on the entry. We had an opportunity to even attempt it on the pullback. As we got this hammer on the retest, you could have really easily rode this to the top and banked with this. So what did you guys learn in this video? You learned to, one, prepare your nightly watch list the night before and have a game plan. Scan using the FinViz criteria that I've given you in the past. Build yourself a game plan and come into the morning with what? The daily in your favor, a pattern on the daily that allows you to bank, and most importantly, wait for the candle close to get above your key level, enter, and treat it as a day trade or a swing trade if the daily still has lots of room. If you guys enjoyed this breakdown and how detailed I was with this, just imagine what the one-on-one mentorship would be like. If you guys want to get to 7 to 20,000 per month in the next 5 months, click the link below, see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one. And if you do, great, let's work together. And if you're not ready to work with me one-on-one, watch this video right here as I explain to you guys how you can use my strategy and implement it yourself to see some consistent return.